Here's how to log into your Apple ID account on Android. Now, I have my Samsung Galaxy here. I'm going to first just open up the Google Chrome app. In Google Chrome, I can access my Apple ID account. On the URL at the very top, you're going to tap on it, and we're going to type in account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com, and hit go. Now you'll need to log into your account, and to do that, at the very top right, tap on that little drop down arrow and then tap on sign in. Just like that, you'll be brought to a sign in page. You need to enter in the email address or phone number associated with that Apple ID account. So let me just autofill that, and then I'm going to hit sign in. I can also hit sign in with iPhone if you have that iPhone nearby. I'm going to tap on sign in here, and keep in mind it will give me a two-factor verification code on my phone. So I'm going to allow that, and I'm going to enter that in now. After I've done that, I can hit go, and just like that, I'll be given access to my Apple ID account. I can go down, I can see all of the information associated with my account, and I can even access iCloud. To access iCloud, I can just go directly to iCloud.com. And again, tap on the sign in button and then sign into your account. You'll be given access to all of your iCloud photos, your contacts, etc.